afternoon, everyone. Get a chance to gather around. My name is Bernadette Leslie. I am the manager of this wonderful facility. I kind of feel like I'm an artifact myself. I've been here for 39 years now. I'll give you a little bit of history on the blacksmithing. Blacksmithing has a long history in Battleford. It began in 1878 when the Northwest Mounted Police arrived. Several members stationed at the barracks were blacksmiths. They repaired horseshoes, wagons, and other metal objects. Some of the blacksmith members were Joe Long and Samuel Stewart, along with Jack Wright. In approximately 1936, Mr. Macabura opened a shop located at 231 21st Street, which was owned then by Mr. Bannock and finally by Mr. Neil Smith, who had just recently passed away. Neil worked for H.S. Stewart and Sons Construction, then started working for Fred Light Service Station. Around the 1950s, blacksmithing became obsolete as horses and wagons were replaced by cars. So young Justin here is carrying on the trade. As we prepare to cut the ribbons, our newest addition to the Fred Light Museum, there are some thank yous are in order. Firstly, for those who worked tirelessly to build the blacksmith shop, such as Fred Gardner for doing electrical work, as well as Mark Miller, Chester Bajak, Amy Russo, Tony Laycock, Barry Diggenstein, Todd Diggenstein, and Twin City Concrete, who donated the concrete, and also Balford Concrete for doing the cement work, laying the cement. In addition, we'd like to thank Peggy Pilot, Shelley Ray McMillan, Donna Laycock, and Sherry Murphy for the fabulous baking. Let's give them a hand. We'd like to thank the museum board for painting the building and the wonderful working relationship I have with Mayor Leslie for supporting this event. Also, we'd like to thank members of the EagleHills Committee for whom this blacksmith shop is named and for their generous monetary donations. To thank are the President, Robert Laycock, Vice President Todd Diggenstein, Treasurer Charlotte Mazika, as well as members Leonard and Kathy Golden, Jack and Verna Lease, and they're here tonight, Mr. and Mrs. Lease, Dave and Diane Owen, Jean Laycock, Susan Diggenstein, Bruce and Joyce Crawford, Nancy and the late Brian Wapple, Marv and Sanika Diebel, Val Carter, and Jack and Linda Musica. We would like to thank the EagleHills Committee for organizing the silent auction, as well as those who donated the items such as Audrey and Ray Blay, the Fred Light Museum itself, the beer mugs, Floyd Anderson for the Immaculate Birdhouse, Justin Miller for the wonderful blacksmithed flower, and then and the co-op, they donated 6 dozen pop to us. For the captating entertainment here today, we'd like to thank Robert Faden and his performance of the bagpipes, the Highland dancers, they did a wonderful job. Woo! And then ceremony is Mr. Peter Betsky. He'll be playing some music for us. Thank you to Larry the Balloon Man, he's gone over very well. And to Mr. Smith for the horse and wagons. He's doing a wonderful job entertaining everybody, giving rides. Finally, thank you for coming out today for supporting the event. Without all of you, this would not be possible. To my summer students, I can't forget them. They've done a wonderful job. Any kind of project I've asked them to do, they've done it over the top of what I expected. So thank you. Before I introduce the next person, our mayor, I would just like to say that for every addition that we've had here with the service station, the fire hall, Anderson Woodworking, the gazebo, and now the blacksmith shop, the mayor has been here either in the capacity as a volunteer firefighter, counselor, and now as mayor. So let me introduce to you our mayor of this beautiful town, Ames Leslie.
Good afternoon, everybody, and definitely, once again, thank you for coming out for supporting the Fred Light Museum. As my mother, for those of you who don't know, she is a little biased to me, of course, but I want to thank her and the board out here because short 5 years ago, none of this was here. So So this is a dream of a lot of people like Floyd Anderson, Judy Ripka, many other people that at the moment I can't remember your name, so I do apologize. But thank you for the dream that you guys had. The compliments we are receiving as myself, mayor and council in the town of Battleford about this facility and the view that this facility has, and the reason more people like you want to come out here and see this is tremendous. So thank you for coming out today. I definitely want to thank EagleHills for letting part of their history be now part of the town of Battleford's history as well, with this wonderful facility in the Black Shop. Mr. Laycock, I know you quite well. Thank you for being the president of EagleHills and continue on that tradition. And it's glad we can share some history together. So everybody, thanks again for coming out. Enjoy the day and make sure you pass on the word about this beautiful facility. Thank you. I don't know about Justin wants to say a few words here at all and say hi. No?
I'd just like to thank everybody that's donated time and anything else to this. I really appreciate it. It's a pretty big opportunity for me, so thanks to everybody. I won't try and remember all the names, but there's a lot of help, so I appreciate it a lot. Thank you. Don't run with scissors.
Actually, could I have either Rob or Jeannie Daycock please come up for the cutting of the ceremony? Ribbon, I should say.
Officially open.
Work was on our minds. We lived our day-to-day in plain dirt fashion, with the overalls and cotton balls all strapped across your back. Man, it's hard to make believe ain't nothing wrong. Mama kept the Bible read and Daddy kept the family fed. Somewhere in between I must have grown. 'Cause someday I was dreaming, but a song that I was singing takes me down the road to where I wanna go.